I want to work in cybercrime prevention. My course is helping me get there. Everything I learned feels connected to the real world.
The support from my lecturers in the Criminology department has really helped my personal and professional development.
I love that there are no exams at all and it's coursework-based, which means as a student I'm much more relaxed. The student support has made a massive difference in the way I apply myself and has made me more comfortable when asking for help.
Leading projects and handling responsibilities along with the studies really taught me how much I'm capable of.
At ARU, I got involved in TAS, which is a project to support and mentor vulnerable young people.
Studying at ARU has helped me realise that I can do it. Being passionate about a subject has massively helped my motivation in ways that I could never have imagined.
My advice would be reach out to your lecturers and get involved and take every opportunity because you never know where it might lead you.
Go for it. If you're thinking about joining, don't overthink it.